Turmeric is the ultimate natural ingredient to give your skin the golden boost it needs. Anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, acne busting, and skin brightening, this miracle worker does wonders for your skin. So here are 7 ways to use it to revive that radiance from head to toe. Haldi has antioxidant properties that help even out pigmentation. So take a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and a teaspoon of haldi and mix well. The sugar will act as exfoliating particles while the coconut oil moisturizes. Scrub in gentle circular motions, rinse off with warm water, and say hello to nourished, glowing skin. These haldi ice cubes are perfect for the summer. Just take a cup of milk and add in 1 teaspoon of haldi and freeze. The anti-inflammatories in turmeric mixed with the lactic acid in milk are super soothing for your skin. Just rub the ice cubes gently on your face and then rinse. Want to unlock your inner glow? Mix a pinch of turmeric with a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Apply a thin layer of it all over as an overnight gel. The turmeric brightens and the aloe gently hydrates to make your skin soft and supple. Want something even more nourishing than a moisturizer? Take some almond oil and mix in a little bit of turmeric and gently massage it onto your face and body at night to let it repair your skin while you sleep. Want acne-free skin the natural way? Mix together 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 1 teaspoon of honey and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it well and apply a dot to your pimple with a Q-tip. Haldi zaps away inflammation while the apple cider vinegar unclogs your pores and the honey soothes your skin. Don't let dark spots and uneven pigmentation get you down. Take 2 tablespoons of turmeric and just enough rice water to make a thick paste. This combination of ingredients is a powerhouse for fading pigmentation. Just apply it as a mask to your face or body for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse. Turmeric is definitely a go-to for getting rid of dark circles. Take 1/4 cup of potato juice and mix in a teaspoon of turmeric. Dip 2 halves of a cotton pad in your mixture and place them under your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes to fade away any pigmentation. Turmeric is one of the most popular remedies to revitalize your skin, so we hope that these hacks help you glow inside and out. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.